How to fix REDnote app keeps closing. Now, the reason why your REDnote apps keeps closing is because it might have corrupted files installed within your mobile device. Now, to fix this, it's extremely simple. Depending on your mobile device, you can go ahead and open up the App Store or the Google Play Store. In my case, since I'm using an Android phone right here, it's going to be the Play Store in my case. Once inside, you can go ahead and search for the REDnote application. From here, you want to make sure that you have the application updated to the latest version. Now, this can go ahead and help you fix a lot of problem, and that includes the application keeps on closing on your mobile device. This can also fix server issues if you're having some slow loading times and more. So you want to make sure that you are using the latest version of the application right here. And so if this video has been helpful, leave us a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one, and as always, thank you.